So today I'm unboxing my very own Shibori kit that I have developed, and I'm really excited to show it to you guys. It's got all my favorite things, and I think it's a great value. It comes with everything you need to dye, and it also comes with a free video tutorial of how to do Shibori for the items included in the kit. So first in the kit are your dye and chemicals. So this is pre-reduced indigo and everything you need to reduce it into the vat. Then you're going to get a selection of rubber bands. You're going to get some string. You're going to get blocks for itajime, tongue depressors, because I love tongue depressors. Then you're going to get some dyer's detergent, which is great stuff. This is going to help keep the whites white and the blues blue. This is really important. You're going to get a drop cloth to help keep your space nice and tidy. And then you're going to get some gloves. And then to dye, you're going to get 100% cotton mask, a cotton tea towel. It's 28 by 28, and a 18 by 18 pillow. So if you have a couch by your kitchen or a dining room table, you can have matching things, which is really, really cute and modern fun home. So this is what comes in the actual box, but you also get the video tutorial, which I will send to you in an email after you buy the kit. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have fun dyeing. Okay, it's time to open these up. I'm really excited to see how they turned out. And let's start with the mask here. Okay. All right, let's see. Oh, very cool. That turned out really nice. So that green is going to oxidize to blue, and the blue is really dark. Right now it's all wet. It's going to dry, and then it's going to wash out a little bit lighter, so you will get a slightly lighter shade of blue. But I think that this is a very nice resist. I really like that, and I'm going to just set it here. And oh, very nice. Okay. Awesome. So that is the diagonal lines for the mask, and like the other one, the green is going to turn blue completely. Oh, you can see here, this one has turned totally blue now. Really pretty. Okay, I'm going to set these aside, and now I'm going to open up my pillow. Whoa! Flying rubber bands. So I'm going to save these, just FYI, you can use them again if you want. I mean, they kind of will always have some indigo on them, but you can reuse them. Oh, wow. Look at that. So that's really green, obviously, but it's going to turn blue. And it looks like flowers, which is really cool. All right, I'm gonna let that oxidize here on the side. I'm gonna open up my tea towel next. Okay, so let's do the tea towel. Okay, there's one rubber band. Come on. Wow, did not want to come off. Okay, here we go. All right, so I got some nice resist on there. Oh, wow. Wow, that turned out awesome. So the green is starting to turn blue right before your eyes. It takes a few minutes usually, but I love how it's like really pronounced on the bottom, and then towards the middle of the tea towel it gets more, there's more resist, and then at the other side there is the pronounced pattern again. It turned out so pretty. All right, so I'm gonna let these oxidize and let the oxygen just hit them and let the indigo turn blue, and just put them out on my drop cloth and come back in a few minutes to look at them. And I think they turned out very pretty.